Hi guys, I'm back. I've got some inspiration for your 2019 Christmas shopping experience. We've got some showstoppers, we've got some stocking fillers, and we've got a whole range of amazing foodie gifts for 2019. Okay, so starting from this one, this is a fennel salami, so it's got that aniseed flavour. Picante over here, very hot and spicy obviously. Tuscan salami, a typical Tuscan salami. This one is truffle, black winter truffle. And this one is the wild boar. It's a little bit sharper, a little bit more full flavour than the pork. It's got the family heritage on the front, comes in a nice box. Perfect for any charcuterie lover. Okay, so this is gingerbread, also known as pain d'épices. It's a typical French Christmas delicacy. You've got crystals on the top, and you've got ginger and spice running through the bread. It's very, very dense, which means when you slice it and cook it in a toaster, it literally turns all chewy with sugar, and it's just amazing. Eaten with foie gras, eaten with cheese, eaten with charcuterie, or even eaten with just butter on its own, but it's one of my favourite things. It's a wonderful gift. So this is a Rougy block of foie gras from the renowned Rougy, the famous foie gras house. Really nice gift. You've got goose here, duck, and then goose with truffles. It's a really nice gift for anyone that loves their foie gras. So this is black truffle honey. You can see the truffles inside, giving it that flavour as well. It's a really, if you haven't had this before, which you may not have, it's really best with blue cheese, so the sour of the blue cheese, and then the truffle and the sweetness of the honey. It's just amazing. Also works really well with goat's cheese. You can use it in dressings. It's a great little stocking filler. Anyone who likes truffles, it's maybe a new thing for a lot of people, but I'll tell you what, when you've tried that on blue cheese, you will be seriously wowed. Really, really special. Okay, so Clementine Mostarda. It's very spicy, the mustard, with then the sweet clementines that have been candied. You can see in there they've just been candied in syrup, so they've shrunken down. It's typically used for charcuterie. So you've got your nice charcuterie platter, and then you have a bowl of this. It just works really well. You can have it with cheese. Again, it looks great. It's Christmassy, it's very festive. Great product. Again, it could be another stocking filler. Really good. Okay, these are marron glacé, which is candied chestnuts. It's a very long process to get them how they are, which is why they're so expensive. I think there's 10 stages or so. But very festive for Christmas, typical Christmas thing in France. And if you like chestnuts, they are special. People that know them will understand what they're all about. But that's a lovely gift, marron glacé. Okay, this is a gin and tonic marmalade, a really nice stocking filler. We found this last year and we sold, I think 500 or 600 of these. It was very, very popular. It's been given 3 gold stars. Anything that we've ever tasted with 3 gold stars is always exceptional, and it's a great stocking filler. So that's a nice idea for a stocking. Okay, so this is Gekkikan sake. It's a very fruity sake, very drinkable. If you're into sake, it's a great product. You can have it with sashimi, any of that stuff. It's not so much dry, it's more of a fruity type. Yeah, it's really good. We sell lots of this. Great gift. So these are handmade marshmallows from Belinda Clark. Very, very high quality, full of taste, full of texture. These ones, the ones we're doing this year, 2019, are chocolate orange, enrobed in dark chocolate, raspberry, and salted caramel, which is enrobed in milk chocolate. Probably the most popular. Really tasty, really fun, nice packaging. They go nuts at Christmas. Everyone buys them. We only really sell them at Christmas. Really, really good stocking filler or present. Very high quality, very tasty, great texture. Okay, so this is the Gourmet Marshmallow toasting kit with all the kits. You've got the gel burner, the sticks to burn them on, and there's 2 flavours in here. One is vanilla and the other is salted caramel. Quite fun. We certainly believe in them because the marshmallows are amazing. And then we've also got an advent calendar with her marshmallows, but we're really excited about that. Okay, so this is the Ihn Knife Block with 4 knives. Really nice magnetic block. You've got a bread knife, you've got a meat knife, you've got an everyday knife, and you've got a paring knife. These knives are just unbelievable. They're so sharp. I have some in my kitchen I've been using for 3 years. Really good looking. They feel really nice, they're light. I think it's a really great gift for someone that loves their meat or does a lot of cooking in the kitchen. It looks really cool, the quality is insane, and they are a really nice Christmas gift. Okay, so this is the beautiful Giuseppe Gusti tasting balsamic vinegar set. 10 different bottles here. These are all 250ml. Starting from here, you've got 6-year, 10-year, 12-year, 15-year, and 20-year all aged. So the further you go up, the thicker the syrupy they get, aged in barrels in Modena. And then here you have hand stamped. These are actually exclusive from their cellar. Comes in a nice, lovely wooden box. Really pretty. Look at that. It's a beautiful finish, and that is fit for a king. So here we have our own brand truffle oils, black truffle oil and white truffle oil, both 100ml. Perfect to use in truffle scrambled eggs or truffle risotto or in pasta. It's very popular, it's got a really punchy flavour, don't use too much. Even got the dogs in the background doing the hunting. We designed those bottles ourselves, and it's the perfect gift going into your stocking. So all these gifts can be found in the food gifts section on the website finefoodspecialist.co.uk, but there's also so much more there to see. We've got hampers, we've got plenty more gifts, so go and have a look. I hope we can inspire you to buy some really nice Christmas gifts for 2019.